ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 So we are seeing,
Namaste.
yeah.
Namaste, Guruji. Guruji, I have got two doubts. Should I ask now or?
Yeah, please ask. So before that, what is that we were discussing in the last class? Napumsakalinga, right? Shatranta.
Correct. Napumsakal.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. We discussed about Akaranta, Ikaranta, some Napumsakalinga forms also, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, please ask.
When we were doing Nishtha, we started with these things, Guruji. Class
Sorry?
1-6. When we started Nishtha Prachayas, we started with this Napunsakalinga forms. If I remember, I mean, when I checked my notes, I saw it under class 166.
Yeah. Last class, Pala Shabda, Vari Shabda, Madhu Shabda, the forms, I explained. I mean, it's out of scope, but still. I don't know what file I typed. Just looking for that file. I'm not getting it. But if I remember, if you can tell me, okay, I'll open that document. Anyway. Palam, Pale, Palani, and Vari, Varini, Varini. Remember?
Yeah.
I typed in some file. I mean, some Word document. I don't know what document is that. Anyway, it's okay. Even if it is not, that's fine. I can do it again. It's not a problem. If you know it, you can tell me. Okay. Yeah, please, you can ask your question.
Yeah, Guruji. Guruji, for this Shatranta, this Napumsakalinga, when you put that summary, so I just went through all that we listed that four types, right? So I was just thinking, if that summary could be, further simplified, for 1, 3, 2, 3, followed by, for 1, 3 and 2, 3, for all ganas, Numagama is must, except for third gana and 7 dhatus of the second gana. And for 1, 2 and 2, 2, it is must for 1, 4 and 10th gana, and 6th gana, it is optional.
You're talking about this, right, summary?
Yes.
Yeah. Say it again.
So for 1, 3 and 2, 3, it is must for all ganas. Only for third gana and seven dhatus of the second gana, the num agama is optional. And for 1, 2 and 2, 2, it is mandatory for 1, 4 and 10th gana, and 6th gana it is optional.
It's mandatory for
1, 4, 10
1, 4,
and
10.
optional for 6th gana.
Okay, yeah. You can write that way also. It's okay.
Yeah.
So 6th gana I mentioned specifically because if you see the chart, the 6th gana is separately discussed. So making that such common. I mean, so it's separate. 1, 4, 6, 10 is one category, and 6 is one. This is how even in Pullinga and Stringa discussed. It's the same thing.
Yeah, yeah.
The
We are
same
trying
format
to.
is retained. The same format
Correct.
made like that. It's okay. What you say
Yes,
is fine. Understand. So
that's
for
easier to memorize, Guruji. I thought so.
yes. So you're saying that for Sarvanamasthana, that is 1, 3 and 2, 3, num is a must for all. Right? An
Yes.
option for
Yes.
second conjugation and 7 dhatus of the second conjugation and third conjugation. It is optional. Number 1. Number 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2 is a must for 1, 4, 10. That's it.
And optional for 6th.
Option
Optional
for
for
6th. Option for 6th. That's it. Yes. Make it into sentence. Yes, it's good. You can make it like that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Guruji.
that's right. I mean, what I have written in 3 points, you're making in 2 points. Yes, you can do it. Yes.
Yeah. No, it's
Saṃskṛtam.
easier to memorize. We don't need to remember so many things. So that is the reason I thought. Can
Yes,
we write it?
it's correct only. Yes, it's good. Yes. This
Okay,
is,
Guruji.
I wrote, so because the same format, 1, 4, 10, 6 and 7 dhatus of the second conjugation, third conjugation. This is what we approach the Gana. So in that format, the 4 points, the 4 groups, for 4 points. This also can be done. Yeah.
Yes,
Short
Guruji.
summary. I will add that also. Yes.
Okay, Guruji.
It's a summary.
Guruji,
This is very still short, making it very short. Yes. Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me.
So should I ask the second doubt?
Here it is a short summary. Okay. Here itself we can make it. A short summary of Shatru. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, okay, this is for everything. Okay, this is for all. Okay, this is we're talking about short summary of Shatru for Napumsakalinga.
Yeah. So actually, if you that short summary itself we can do for Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga, then that summary will be more easier because we're trying to fit in everything into the same format. Then sometimes it becomes a little confusing. Like Pullinga, we can say for when it is followed by Sarvanamas Sthana Pratyaya, then for all ganas. It will take Numagama except for 3 and 7 dhatus the second gana, it is optional.
Yes.
No, but here in
For
this
Strilinga, we can say 1, 4, 10 mandatory, 6th it is optional.
Yes. Yeah, you can have it. It's not a problem. Yes, you can have do it like that.
But 1, 2 and 2, 2 are also added in Napumsakalinga. Then it makes it a bit confusing.
Yeah, of course. Napumsakalinga only we also have 1, 2 and 2, 2. Maybe that we need to mention. Yes. So here I try to make it more shorter for all the linga. Anyway, if it looks good, please follow. Or you can have your own summary. Nothing wrong. It's correct. What you said is correct. Shatranta, I mean, for Napumsakalinga, I'll make that a short one. Yes. So all the Shatranta, if you see, we approach to 4 division, 4 classification. 1, 4, 6 is 1, 6 is another one, and all other conjugations another one, and 7 dhatus of the second conjugation, third conjugation, 1 group. So 4 groups. Having these 4 groups, and for different lingas, our approach is given. And the chart also in my summary also. If you, for your understanding, if you want to make it short, please do it. And you need to remember that short summary also. For all the lingas, you need to remember that.
Yeah.
If it's easy for you, please have it, no problem. Yes. Same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Another doubt, what is the doubt?
Thank you, Guruji. Guruji, the next one is in the previous class you mentioned for that Iganta Anga taking Numagama for
Point of
Napum
argument,
Sakaling.
yes. Yeah. Mm.
So that, and then for Adantanga it will not take Numagama. So that rule is applicable only for Namapadam, right? Not for Dhatu. Because we are discussing about Shatanta Napumsakalinga also. So there we cannot apply, right?
Shatranta means you get Pratipadikam, right? Here also Pratipadikam. So where it comes a Namapadam, I don't understand. Namapadam comes only when you add Supratyaya.
No, for example, for 1, 2, that 1, 2 and 2, 2, Palam becomes Pale only. There is no Numagama there.
Okay, fine. So,
But as per the Napumsakalinga rule, 1, 2 and 2, 2 will take Numagama for 1, 4, 10 dhatu, right? Pala.
No. Don't confuse with
Pala.
that. The 1,
Pala,
4. No. Shatranta is, what is Shatranta? What is Shatranta?
When it ends with a Shatru Prachaya.
Shatranta is
Shatra has already been added.
Pratipadikam. Yeah. Shatranta is a Pratipadikam. To the Pratipadikam you add Supratyaya, right? Shatranta is Shatrantam Pratipadikam Bhavati. To the Pratipadikam you add the Supratyayas. Already I have Pratipadikam here. This is not a Shatranta. This is a Shatranta, non-Shatranta. And add Supratyaya. You get a Namapadam. So here Shatru Pratyaya is added to a Dhatu. Therefore, Dhatu plus Shatru Pratyaya, that is a Krit Pratyaya, you get a Pratipadikam. Here the Pratipadikam is not derived through the Krit Pratyaya, some Pratyaya. But ultimately both are Pratipadikam. Whether it is Patat or whether it is Pala, both are Pratipadikam only. This is Alanta Pratipadikam, this is Ajanta Pratipadikam. Why Dhatu here? In this case, this is a derived from a Dhatu, we know it is Pat Dhatu. Here it is maybe derived from a Dhatu, but Pratyaya is not Shatru Pratyaya, some other Pratyaya, some Krit Pratyaya, whatever it is. It is Adanta. So, what is the confusion here?
So Guruji, for 1, 2 and 2, 2, then Pala should take Numagama, no? Why it is not taking Num?
No, the rule is, what is the rule? The rule is for Iganta Anga, for Iganta Pratipadikam, not Anga, okay, Iganta Pratipadikam, Anga also can say, for Iganta Pratipadikam, when followed by the Vibhakti Pratyaya beginning with Ach, Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya, Parinum will come. It's the rule. Ik Anta Pratipadikam, when Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, will take Num. This is not Iganta Pratipadikam. Phala is Akaranta. Therefore, when followed by the Pratyaya is Pratama Bhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya is Au will become E. So we can take E is the Pratyaya for both, right? 1, 2 as well as 2, 2. So when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows the Adanta Pratipadikam, right? That is Adanta, Iganta Pratipadikam, then only Num. But here it is Adanta. Therefore, there is no Num. Therefore, we do Sandhi. A plus E become A. Gura Sandhi. We divide the Pratipadikam into 3. Please note. Napumsakalinga Pratipadikam. We divided that into 3. Napumsakalinga. Pratipadikam, we divide this into, one is Akaranta Pratipadikam, Akarantaha. Next one is Iganta Pratipadikam, Igantaha. Third one is Jalanta Pratipadikam, Jalantaha. Under Jalanta only Shatra etc. will come because Shatra means Takaranta, right? Shatranta etc. Shatrantadi etc. etc. means other will come. Iganta is the Anga ending with, the Pratipadikam means E, U, R, leave it. And A is Akaranta. So divide the Pratipadikam, Napumsakalinga Pratipadikam into these 3, right? Now, Jalanta Pratipadikam, under that comes this Shatranta, Patat, etc. We discussed this, of course, not required, we discuss anyway. So for this, Iganta Pradipadikam, when followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, Ajadi Pratyaye Pare, then Num will come. This is the rule. Not for Akaranta. Akara, for all one common rule is there. Sarvanamastana Pratyaye Pare Num Bhavati.
Yeah,
Okay.
1, 2. Oh,
That
1,
is
3.
one common rule for all. In fact, it is not one. Anyway, you can take it as that. Like the sutra wise, it's something different, but it's doesn't matter. No problem there. For water, maybe the anta doesn't matter. When sarvanamastana pratyaya follows, num will come. Whether it's akaranta, falani, ikaranta, varini, varini, or jalanta, chatranta, pratipadikam, num comes. So when sarvanamastana pratyaya, num comes, is a must. For Iganta, we have something called when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, Num will come. So Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya means even 3-1, 4-1, 5-1, 6-1, 6-2, 7-2. Have of course 1, 2 and 2, 2, where out and out are replaced by E. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji. Guruji, so if you take a word like Gachan, so how will that fit into this?
Gachat, not Gachan. Gachat is a
Gachat.
Pradipadikam. Gachat is now what anta? Tell me.
Halanta.
Okay.
It is
Jalanta.
Jalanta.
Yeah. In fact,
Jalanta.
why I say Jalanta? Because in fact, other than Jalanta, the rest are also is there. Like we have Nakaranta Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabdas are there, like Karman, Brahman. In fact, Brahman
Rajan.
and Sakaranta Shabda, Rajan is the Pullinga. Sakaranta Shabdas are there. That, of course, Sakaranta will come under Jal. Okay, leave it.
Jal.
But Nakaranta is some other Shabdas are there. That is different. That I am not including here. That is. Nakaranta is a special case. It's just one more Nakaranta. That is not required for us. Don't worry. Nakaranta, Shabdas like that. Like we have Shabda like Karman. Important Shabda Karman. Karman, Brahman, etc. Those Shabdas are there. Many other. And Sakaranta Shabdas are there. Sakara also will come under Jal alone. Shatrantadi. Then Adi Padas. Shatranta is Takaranta Shabda. And Takarantaha. And Sakaranta Shabdas are there. So there are many like that.
Tapas.
Okay. Tapas, it's tapas, yes, tapas. Pious, all Sakaranta Shabda. So therefore you will see Payaha, Payasi, Payamsi. So Jalanta, right? Under which under Shatranta comes. Nakaranta is there, which we are not interested in that. Now, whatever it may be, even whatever may be Anta. When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Num is a must. Then we say for Iganta, there's a special rule. Iganta Pradipadikam, for Iganta Napumsakalinga Pradipadikam. When Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, Num is a must. Okay. Therefore, why in Pala 1, 2 and 2 to Num should come? There is no room to Num to come. Why you connect with the Shatranta? You understand?
Yes, Guruji. So there will never be a
Shatranta comes under Jal, right? Jalanta. For Jalanta Pradipadikam, where is the rule? That so Jalanta, Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare Num comes, fine, but whatever may be there. Okay, this is another thing. See, number one, whatever may be the Anta, when Sravanamastana Pratyaya follows, Num will come. That is number one. Number two, Napumsakalinga, that Au and out will be replaced by E. That is also common. Au and out will be replaced by E. Okay, let me write the common rules for all the. I think it is common. If any changes, I'll let you know. I don't think any. Number one, that is when Sarvanamastana, I write in Saṃskṛtam, you can follow. Sarvanamastana Pratyaye Pare, Sarvanamastana Pratyaye Pare Num Bhavati. Right? No, this is number one. Number two is Au and out will be replaced by Au Tata out. Right? Both are okay. Au and out together is technically is called aung. You can try to know this name also. It's called aung. It's called aung. Aungaha shi adeshaha bhavati. This is what is aung if you ask, you can write au and out together called by a technical name aung. Aungaha shi adeshaha. Au is 1 2. Out is 2 2. Together they are called by the name aung. Aungaha shi. This is also common for all the Napumsakalinga. Right? Now, what is specific? Specific, this is Iganta when followed by Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya specific. Understand? Now, if you say Gachat, you're asking Gachat, right? Take Gachat. Gachat, how you get Gachat, the Pradipadikam? Gam plus, Shap plus, Shatra. You get Gam plus Shap is Gam. Gam will be replaced by, when followed by Shit Pratyaya, it will be replaced by Gach. Gach plus Shap. Content of Shap is A. It cannot cause any Angakarya. Content of Shatra is At. So, Gam plus Gach plus I is Gacha. Gacha plus At is what Sandhi? Pararupa Sandhi, right?
Pararupa.
So, you get Gachat.
Gachat.
Gachat is the Pradipadika. Now, it depends on what Linga is, can decline. Linga already we declined. Now, Napumsakalinga. No. Gachat plus Su. What will happen to Su? If it is followed by, if Su follows Adanta Pradipadikam, Su and will be replaced by It's a rule. But here it is not Adanta, it is Halanta. Any Halanta, the Su and will become Lopaha, will be dropped. So therefore Su goes away. You will have Gachat. Gachat is a Padam. So we can apply Jalam Jastasandhi, Gachat or Gachat. Both. This is number 1. Okay. Number 2. Gachat plus here also same thing. Will drop. This is 2 1. So 1 1 and 2 1. Gachat plus out. Gachat plus out. What will happen here? When out follows, for all Napumsakalinga, we said out will be replaced by
E.
E. So out plus E. Out is replaced by E. Gachat plus E.
Gachati.
Will Num come here?
Yes.
Yes, because that's a rule for Shatranta. Shatranta, when
1 4 6.
When 1 2 and 2 2 follows, see the summary. That's why you get the summary. When au and out follows for the dhatus, when Sranavasana Pratyaya just and Shas, that is 1 3 and 2 3, and Supratya au and out specifically follows for 1 4 10. Num is a must. Num will come. So Gam dhatu is in the first conjugation, and here au follows, therefore Num will come. Num being Agama, it will come. Huh?
That is irrespective of Akaranta or Iganta.
This is very specifically for Shatranta.
Shatranta.
Akaranta, no Num. Okay. Now we have Gachanti. What Rajaji? What doubt here? Then
Yes, Guruji. So,
Bhagavachanam, if it is just original Pratyaya, that will be replaced by E.
Gachanti.
Right? So here, Sranavasana Pratyaya Pare, Num is a must. This is a common rule. So Num will come. So Gachan plus E, Gachanti. So Gachat, Gachanti, Gachanti. Same thing for here also. When out follows, out will be replaced by E. When out follows also, that is E follows, Num will come. Then here it is Shas. Shas is also replaced by E. Sranavasana, Gachanti. Okay. So when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows, Num is a must, that is common. And when Au is replaced by E, right? When E follows, Numka, then Numagama comes. Therefore, right? Therefore, in Pala Shabda, Akaranta Shabda, there is no Num. So if you are comparing with the Pala Shabda, Palam Pale Palani, for Iganta, when Ajari Bhakti Pratyaya follows, Num comes. So when Au and Out are replaced by E, that becomes Ajadi Pratyaya, Num comes. Similarly for Jalanta also, when Au and Out are replaced by E, Num comes. Therefore, that is common for Iganta as well as Jalanta. Right?
Yes.
Sorry, Guruji, can you repeat that line again?
See, that the difference is for Iganta Pratipadikam, when Ajadi Vekti Pratyaya follows, Num comes, that is for all the Ajadi Vekti Pratyaya, not restricted to 1, 2, and 2, 2 alone. 3, 1,
Yeah.
4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1.
Hmm.
What about for Jalanta? Jalanta is Ajadi Vekti Pratyaya that happens to be 1, 2, and 2, 2 alone. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Not for all.
Okay.
Tritiya Vekti do ya Num.
No.
Tritiya Vekti, what is a Pratyaya?
Ta.
Gachat plus Ta. Ta will be replaced by
Gachata.
Gachata. Where is the Num here? In that case, this is different from Iganta Pratipadikam. Iganta Pratipadikam, Vari plus Ta.
Varina.
Here,
Varina.
Ajadi Vekti Pratyaya follows Vari plus A. Therefore, Num comes. Therefore, you get Varina. This is different. Understand? For Akaranta Pratipadikam, Malanta, that is different. Okay, don't think because Palena is there, therefore no, that is not because of this. That is completely a different rule. It's not required for us again. Pala is replaced, that Ata is replaced by Ina for Adantanga, A plus E Sandhi, Gura Sandhi, Palena, like Ramena, Palena. It's a rule. Ta is replaced by Ina. If it is Akaranta, we have a lot of rules are there, exceptions are there. Iganta Pratipadikam, when Ajadi Vekti Pratyaya, that's a common rule. Whereas for Shatranta, 1, 2, and 2, 2 follows. We have Num. That is why mentioned here specifically for Shatranta Napumsakalinga, when Au and Out follows, the Dhatu belonging to 1, 4, 10, Num is a must. Okay. Forget about other Pratipadikam if it is confusing. Shatranta alone, you focus. Other Pratipadikam, incidental, I told. I thought it will be easy for you to understand and compare and see. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji. So there will be never a situation where we will have an Adanta Pratipadikam in the case of a Shatranta. Because
How can it be? Shatranta means ending with Atu
It
only.
has to be up.
You cannot have Karanta Pratipadikam, right?
Yeah.
okay.
Always it will be Jalanta only.
That to Takara.
Yeah, Shatru, Takara, right? It can never be Ajanta.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So you remember this rule, it's enough for us for the exercise.
Yeah,
Okay, let us
today
do
it is much more clearer, Guruji. Last class, I was trying to write down the notes. I was going back and forth on the video, but I wasn't getting.
Okay. So, see, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Num comes, it's a must. Okay, number one. We are talking about one Napumsakalinga. Don't extend that to Pullinga and all. Because Pullinga and all, we don't have like that. But for Napumsakalinga, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, just and Shas, Num will come. And for Shatranta, Au and Out follows, Num will come. This is the rule. Whether Num will come or not for whether it comes for all the dhatus, then we have to know what Gana it belongs to. We have to know the Dhatu Gana. If it is 1, 4, 10,
Mandate.
1, 2, and 2, 2 will get mandatory.
Mm.
For sixth conjugation is optional.
Optional.
For other conjugation, it will not come at all. Simple.
Mm.
1, 2, and 2, 2. What about Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya? It's a must for all. And it is optional for the seven
Three
dhatus
and-
of the second conjugation and third conjugation. That's it.
Mm.
Sarvanavasthana itself becomes option only for those two second conjugation of seven dhatus and third conjugation. Whereas for all other conjugation, when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows, Num is a must. Right? Therefore,
Yes.
Num comes invariably for when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows. That is common. How and out follows, Num comes. For which Gana it's mandatory. For 1, 4, 10 it is
For
mandatory.
10. Mm. Sixth,
For
it is
sixth Gana
optional.
it is optional. For other Ganas it will not come at all.
It is not there. Mm.
Yes. If you know this, then it is done. Okay. This now we will see exercise. You try now different vachanam. Though likitani vakyani patata. This chart is nicely done. This is enough. You follow this, understand? It's done. Okay, you can repeat. At least we'll have some repetition. You can repeat. Gachat, gachanti, gachanti.
Gachat,
Gachat,
gachanti,
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 Gachat, gachanti, gachanti.
gachat, gachanti, gachanti.
Tritiya onwards, same as Pullinga.
Mm.
Gachata, gachatvyam, gachatbihi.
Gachatbihi. Mm.
Is there any num there? No.
Mm.
What about Vari? Vari, always you will have num when Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows. Not for Akaranta. Vala Shabda, we don't have that. So the Diganta is something special. Vari or Madhu, if you take. Madhuna, Madhubhya, Madhubhihi. Madhune, Madhubhya, Madhubhyaha. Madhunaha, Madhubhyam. Madhunaha, Madhunaha, Madhunoho. Right? Madhuni. Fine. Then, fourth conjugation. Divyat, Divyanti, Divyanti.
Devyat,
Divyanti.
devyanti,
Divyanti.
So you can see how and out are replaced by E invariably for all. Right? Palam Pale, there also E is that. Vari Varini, there also E is that. Madhu Madhuni, E is that. Here also E is that. That's why I said it is a common rule for all Napumsakalinga. Right? How and out must be replaced by E for Napumsakalinga. Right?
Yeah.
And one more thing you can add, the Su and will become Lopa for Adanta Pratipadik. Will be replaced by for Adanta Pratipadikam, will become Lopa for other Pratipadikams.
Yeah.
1, 1 and 1, 2, 1. That's why Palam Pale Palani, Palam Pale Palani. What about other Pratipadikam? It drops. Vari Varini, Vani Vari. Vari Varini, Vari alone. Here also Gachat, Gachanti, Gachanti, Gachat, Gachanti. Su and drops. Understand? That is common for all. So you can note for all the Napumsakalinga, these 3 points are common. Sarvanamastana Pratyaya Num, number 1. Aungaha Shia Adesha, number 2. Third one is, next one. Su and Su and Su plus you can write Swamoho. I'm making like that. That is Su plus So Samaho is Shashti Bhakti of Su plus like Marutoho. Su plus if you do Sandhi, what Sandhi? Yen Sandhi, right? Su plus Swam. When you decline Swam like Marut, 6-2 will be
Swama.
Marutoho, Swamoho. That's what is here, right? So let me write like this. In fact, I'm writing a sutram only, not telling that it's a sutra. So is 1-1 and is 2-1. Okay. Swamoho Adeshaha. For what? This is for Napumsakalinga Akaranta. Right? Akarantat Pratipadigat. Akarantat Pratipadigat Swamoho Adeshaha. What about the rest? Anyesham?
Lopaha.
Pratipadikānām
Lopaha.
lopaha. That's it. Oh.
Lopaha.
The 3 points are common for all the Napumsakalinga rules. Okay. Anyesha means other Pratipadikam, it will become lopaha. Okay. Let us do. Divyat, divyanti, divyanti.
Divyat.
Divyat,
Divyanti.
divyanti,
Divyanti.
divyanti.
Divyat, divyanti, divyanti.
Divyat.
Divyat,
Divyanti.
divyanti,
Divyanti.
divyanti.
Tritiya onwards. Divyata,
Divyatyam.
divyatyam.
Divyanti.
What is the dhatu?
Div.
Div.
Divi.
Div
Div.
dhatu. Div. How does it become div? Why not divyat? We know that. We have seen.
That is the rule, Guruji. When what is it? It gets the
What is the rule?
dirgha.
When repar vakara of a dhatu, either at the end of the padam or followed by al, its upada letter gets dirghatvam.
Dirgham.
Dirghatvam. That's why divyati, divyataha, divyanti, nama padam, kriya padam also, right?
Yeah.
Div. Okay, next one. Chorayat, chorayanti, chorayanti.
Chorayat.
Chorayat, chorayanti, chorayanti.
Okay, then sixth conjugation. Tudat, tudati, tudanti, tudanti.
Tudat.
Tudat, tudati, tudanti, tudanti.
And this also you need to include because this is also Adanta. When you say the anga ending with avarna, avarnanta anga, it could be akara or akara also, right? Akara means akaranta dhatu. Therefore, yat, etc., ya dhatu, etc. can come. That's why this is also given. Yat also, ya is ya plus the Ganavikana plus Shatru. So ya is akaranta, avarnanta. So avarnanta dhatu, that is important. Avarnanta dhatu when followed by the Shatru Pratyaya in case of Napumsakalinga, there are also like it's like Tudadigana alone. So here you will have optional num for 1, 2 and 2, 2. Okay. Yat, yati, yanti, yanti.
Yat.
Yat, yati, yanti, yanti.
For other conjugation, numama only for Saranamasana Pratyaya. And that is becomes optional even for third conjugation and seventh others of second conjugation. That's it. Okay. Now let us do this. Yanam gachat asti. Gachat which gana? First conjugation.
First.
Gachat participle acts right as an adjective. Gachat yanam asti, right? The vehicle goes. That is what meaning. Gachat plus asti is equal to gachati.
Is there? Gachati.
Right? Gachat asti. Gachati we split into nama padam and kriya padam. Asti always is there. Everything is asti only. Is there anything without asti? Asti is being as sat. Right? Being. And here gachat asti. Gachat plus asti gachanti. Gachati. Yanam gachat asti. Dvivachanam would be?
Yane gachata ustaha.
Gachanti.
Gachanti. Yani.
Taha. Yeah, gachanti yane staha. Bhagavachanam.
Gachanti.
Gachanti yanani.
Yanani.
Santi. Similarly, paranam patat asti. Patat parnam asti. Dvivachanam.
Patanti.
Patanti.
Parne.
Staha.
Staha.
Bhagavachanam.
Patanti parnani santi.
Parnani santi.
Vikasat. Which gana vikasat? Kasdatu. V purvaka kasdatu vikasat. I think Vadigana. First conjugation only. Vikasat. So you need to know the conjugation. Okay. Otherwise, how do you know num is a must option when you decline? This first conjugation. Okay. V purvaka kasdatu vikasati. So vikasat pushpam asti.
Vikasanti pushpe
Vikasanti pushpe staha. Vikasanti pushpani
Santi.
santi.
Vagat, vagdatu. Which conjugation? First conjugation.
Va-
Vagat. Vagat jalam asti.
Vahanti
Vahanti jale
jale
Vahanti
staha.
jale staha.
Jale staha. Then
Vahanti
Vahanti
jalani
Jalani
santi.
jalani santi.
something. If you do karmani of this, what will happen? Just think. Vahanti jalani santi.
bhavati. Asti becomes
No.
bhavati.
Asti karmani.
Karmani. Aha.
How will it become bhavati? Bhavati also kartari only, right?
Uyate.
This is the sentence Vagati.
Bhuyati.
Vaganti mantri jalani santi.
Hmm.
Make it into karmani.
Bhuyanti. Sorry. Sorry. Bhuyate is karmani.
Here, subject karta is jalani.
Jalam.
Jalani.
Jala. Bhagavachanam. And qualified by Yashadrata Vaganti. So that which is, what is Abhigita here?
Jalam.
The subject, Kartari. So it will become Anabhigita in Karmani. Anabhigita will be in what vibhakti? Anabhigita Karta, subject.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Now make that into Tritiya. Vaganti will become the same order.
Vahadbhi.
Vagadbhihi, very good.
Vagadbhihi.
Vagadbhihi. Bhagavachana. Vagadbhihi.
Jalai.
Jalaihi.
Jalani. Jalaihi.
Jalaihi. Then
Bhuyate.
always will Napumsakalinga. What will happen? What is the karma here?
Ekvachana.
Karma is there, not there. It's a bhave, right? So,
Ekvachana.
Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. Bhuyate. Not bhavati.
Purusha. Pratama Purusha.
Vagadbhihi Jalaihi Bhuyate. Understand? Why Bhuyate? Why are you taking Bhudhatu? I'm not taking Bhudhatu. I'm taking Asdhatu only. Yes, Santi.
It's a rule, Guruji. Santi becomes bhuyate.
Exactly. Asdhatu. Similarly, here also Asdhatu only. But Asdhatu in Karmani, As plus Yak plus Te, As will be replaced by
Bhu.
a form which is Bhu, not Bhudhatu. Because As is a Dhatu, the Adesha Bhu also enjoys the status of being a Dhatu, therefore Bhuyate. Okay. So, Bhagadbhihi Jalaihi Bhuyate. Karmani. Okay, fine. Chakram Brahmata Asti. Brahmat Chakram Asti. Convert. Other Vachanam. What would be?
Ramanti
Brahmya-
chakre staha.
Brahmanti chakre staha.
Brahmya-
Not Brahm Dhatu, which is in, see, Brahmyati, if it is there, you can say
Fourth and
Brahmyati.
Fourth and first, Guruji.
Yeah, it is there. First conjugation is there and fourth conjugation also it is there. You take it as a first conjugation, it is the form would be Brahmati or Brahmyati. Two forms are there.
Yeah.
We have seen that.
Yeah.
And the fourth conjugation, if you take, there also we have Brahmati, Brahmyati. The Brahm Dhatu being a Dhatu, the Dhatu for the first conjugation, optionally it can take
Shyam.
Shan Pratyaya. Therefore, Brahmati, Brahmyati, two forms in first conjugation. As a fourth conjugation Dhatu, it can have Shap also. Therefore, Brahmati and Brahm Dhatu, Shan follows, Dirghatvam happens, Brahmyati.
Yeah.
So, in fact, we have three forms, Brahmati, then Brahmyati,
Brahmyati.
All the three are valid, but here Brahmati is given. Okay, now question comes, which one it should be? Okay, this is interesting. You can see.
It has to be Brahman.
First and fourth will take Numagama, Guruji.
Yeah, first and fourth will take anyway the same only. So we don't have any problem here.
Yeah.
Okay, let us do the Brahm Dhatu. How to find out which conjugation? Here we don't have any problem because whether one or four, the form is going to be same. You remember this Brahm Dhatu as a first conjugation, Brahm plus Shab plus Tit. You will have the form Brahmati, right?
Brahmati, yeah.
And we have one option for this first conjugation. What is that? Shan also can come for first conjugation Dhatu. Therefore, you will have Brahmyati. Another rupam. So this Brahmati and Brahmyati are the forms of the Brahm Dhatu of the first conjugation. So I will write here. Vadigana dhatu, right?
Mm.
Vadi. This is also Vadi. Brahm dhatu, which is then fourth conjugation also. So there what happens? That the Gana Vikarana, optionally we can get Shap also. That's a rule. Therefore you will have Brahmati alone. This is Divadi Gana.
Yeah.
Mm.
And fourth Gana, when Shan follows, Upada, Dirgaha happens. Like Sham becomes Shamyati, Dam Damyati, Shamam Ashtanam, Shani, Dirgaha Bhavati, or Sutram is there, right?
Shamadhi.
Yeah, Shamadhi Gana, exactly. So Brahmyati. This is Divadi Gana. So Brahm being a dhatu, whose Shatranta is given Brahmat, right? Now, which conjugation, how do you find this? It's simple. So take Brahm,
Plus
Shap
At.
plus
At.
Shatra.
Tatra.
So you will have Brahmat.
Pramata.
By this one, you get either Brahmat or this one. Therefore, either could be either first conjugation or fourth conjugation. Where we have one optional form, Brahmati, which is common.
Yeah.
Right? And because it is 1 and 4, therefore, Num is the same condition. The Tranasthana Pratyaya follows Num is a must. When
Yeah.
1, 2 and 2 to follows Num also, again it's a must.
Also,
So
it's a
therefore,
must.
the form is going to be same for Bhuvadi as well as, therefore it will be
Divadi.
Brahmat,
Brahmat. Brahmanti.
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 Brahmanti. For the Bhuvadi. What about for Divadi? Divadi also same thing.
It's the same.
The form is going to be same. So we can take anyone, it's not a problem. Right? So let us do this. Brahmata Chakram Asti. Brahmanti Chakre.
Chakre stha.
Chakre staha.
Daha.
Then
Brahmanti chakrani
Brahmanti
santi.
chakrani santi.
Rah.
Santi.
Prani.
Chak Santi.
Santi.
Mitram Shrunvat. Which Gana is Shrunvat?
Sixth, Guruji.
No. No, Shrunvat also we have seen.
First
First
one.
conjugation.
It's
First
a
first
It
gana.
is first.
Yeah,
First.
first
Additional
conjugation.
one.
Yes. Dhatu is, Aupadeshika Dhatu is Shru.
True.
Shru will be replaced by Shri. It's a rule.
Sure.
Shru plus Shap plus
Shap.
Tip. Shap also will be replaced by Shan. It's a rule, right? Sorry, Shnu. Kshamita.
Shnu.
Shap plus Shnu plus Tip. Then what will happen? Shri. Shri, no will become
No
no.
will become
Shrunoti.
No.
Shrunoti is a Rupam. Shatranta Rupam would be Shri plus Shap plus Shatra. Here also Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Parishnu will be the Vikarana, Gana Vikarana, and this will be At. Now what will happen? Shri plus Shnu plus and Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya follows. The Nu of Nu
Snu
that
will
will be
uv.
replaced by
Uv.
Uv. Therefore you will have
Shrunvat.
Shrunvat.
Shrinvat.
Then U is preceded by a non-conjunct. You will have, sorry, when preceded by a conjunct or non-conjunct. No.
When
If
there
it
is
is
a
preceded by a conjunct, then you will have
what
Uvadesha.
doesn't happen, Guruji.
But here it is Vakara only, Yanadesha, not Uvadesha. This is Vakara, Yanadesha here, not Uv.
Yeah, it's not
Here it
Uva.
is Yanadesha. Vakara is replaced by just Vakara only, not Uv. Please note. When Ukara will be replaced by U, when U is preceded by a conjunct, like in the case of Shak, for example. Shak plus No plus Tip or Shatra, whatever it takes, same thing.
No.
Here we have Shak plus No plus T. Here U is preceded by a conjunct. There U will be replaced by Ub. Right? Understand? When followed by Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya, Anti. So therefore you will have Shaknuvanti. The form would be Shaknuvanti. Here it Uvadesha. Understand? So Please know the difference between these two. Right? Is it clear, Rajaji?
Yes, Guruji.
Therefore, Shrinvat, first conjugation. But it begins like the fifth conjugation. Now, what will be the Dvivachanam? Shrinvat mitram asti. Fifth conjugation, it would be
No nummagama there.
Magama.
no numagama. Therefore, Shrinvati mitre
Shrinvati.
staha.
Hmm.
It is like fifth conjugation, like Chinvat.
Hmm.
So you will not have num. Then Bhagavachanam, Shrinvanti
Manti mitrani santi. Santi.
Santi.
Please note, 1, 2, Dvivachanam, you will not have Shrinvanti. You will have Shrinvati alone.
Shrinvati.
Hmm. Hmm.
Shrinvat, Shrinvati, Shrinvanti.
Shrinvanti. Hmm.
Nakshatram, Rajat. Which kana? Rajdhatu. Rajate, Rajete, Rajanti. First conjugation.
First one.
Right? Rajat. So Rajat means shine, right?
Hmm.
Rajanti.
Rajanti.
Nakshatre staha.
Then,
Rajan.
yeah.
Rajanti
Nakshatrani.
nakshatrani
Santi.
santi.
No, Rajat plus Asti is equal to?
Rajate.
Very good.
Rajati.
Because Rajdhatu is Atmanepadi. Don't say Rajati. Rajate, there it is, right?
Yeah.
Not literally plus. I'm just saying Rajate
Yeah.
means shine. Asti is the Kriya Padam. Rajate Atmanepadi Dhatu. Right? Atmanepadi. Dhatu is Atmanepadi. If it is Atmanepadi, then how can you have Rajat? It's not Atmanepadi, the Ubepadi, in fact. It will be Rajat. Otherwise, you cannot have Rajat. Please see. It should take Shanach. All the dhatus, what we have seen. So, Shatra means it will be Paraspai Paridhatu. Atmane Paridhatu, Shanach. That is going to be the next topic for us. We have not yet seen Atmane Paridhatu. Have you seen any Atmane Paridhatus? No.
No.
Please see. Atmane Paridhatu. We have only seen Paraspai Pari alone so far. For Atmane Padi, what Pratyaya will come? Shanach will come.
Shanach.
That is, in the first page it is there. Yes. Shanach is very simple. It is for Atmanepadi. Parasmepadi, Shatru. So Rajat is there. Therefore, we have to infer Rajat cannot be only Atmanepadi. It has to be Parasmepadi. It means Ubepadi. Understand? Rajati also is there then. Rajate also is there. Both. That's what we have to understand. Even I also thought Rajate because we use Rajate, Prakashate, but it is Ubepadi Dhatu. Otherwise, we cannot have Rajat Asti. We have to say Rajamanam Asti. If it is Shanach. If it is Atmanepadi. It is Ubepadi. Please note. Good example, this one. We will see Shanach. We have not yet seen Shanach. We're going to see that. Shibiram Prachalat Asti. First conjugation. Prachalanti Shibire Staha. Then Prachalanti Shibirani Santi. Shariram Nashyata Asti. Nashyata, which conjugation?
Fourth.
So for Nashyanti Sharire Staha.
Sharirani
Santi.
Sharirani Santi.
Nrityate, which conjugation? Again, fourth.
Fourth.
Natanam Kulam Nrityate Asti. Then Natanam Kule Nrityanti Staha. Natanam
Kulani Nrityanti Santi.
Nrityanti Santi.
Yes, so okay, this is how simple we know it. You can skip that. Karoti, just is helping you by saying identifying with the Kriya Padam. Karoti become Kurvat. Shrunoti will become
Shrunuvat.
Patati.
Patat.
Janayati.
Janayat.
Which conjugation Janayati?
10th.
Jnadhatu, Guruji.
No, Jan Dhatu.
Jan Dhatu. Jan alone, we have ja dhatu will become nya. Sorry, nya dhatu.
Ya becomes ja.
Jayate, which jan will become ja. That is for the fourth conjugation. Jan dhatu become jayate. But here janayati is the for 10th conjugation.
10th conjugation.
Ah, yeah.
Jani pradurbhave, fourth conjugation is the jan dhatu. Then that will be jayate, na jayate, mriyate va kadachit, right? Jayate. Nya dhatu will become ja, that is different, janati. But this dhatu, it is causative form of Divadigana, you can take. Causative, not 10th conjugation. I mean, it's like 10th conjugation. Of course, niche is there, right? Causative form of Jandatu. Jandatoho nijantarupam janayati. Understand? You can say 10th conjugation loosely, nothing wrong, because you see the niche there, right?
Aya there.
Yeah, but I is there. It's okay. But not 10th conjugation as such. It is 4th conjugation, nijantarupam. So janayat, then it is like 10th conjugation. Therefore, janayat, janayanti,
Janayanti.
1, 4, 10, no miss a must, right?
Yeah.
Acharati will become acharat. Spurati will become spurat. First conjugation. Vikasati. Tishtati. First conjugation. Tishtanti. Vadati. Rakshati. Rakshat. All are simple. Jigrati.
Jigrat.
Jigrat. Shushyati. Which conjugation? Fourth. Shan is there.
Fourth one.
In Gita it comes. Where is it in Gita?
Nashoshayati maruta.
That conjugation, that Nijanta Rupam, causative form. Na shoshayati. Shush will become shoshi. Shoshe. Shoshaya. Shoshayati. Understand? Shush means to dry. Na shoshayati means cannot cause to dry. That is, wind cannot cause Atma to dry. Na shoshayati marutaha. Right? So, fourth conjugation, Nijanta Rupam, therefore shoshayati. But Shushyati, fourth conjugation, Shushyatu, Shushyanti, Shushyanti. Shoshayati also is like that only. Shoshayatu, Shoshayanti, Shoshayanti. 10th conjugation. Ganayati, that is clean 10th conjugation. Gandhatu. So, Ganayati, Ganayati, Ganayanti. Tushyati.
Fourth.
Fourth conjugation. Causative would be Toshaya.
Toshayati.
Cause to please. Pibati. First conjugation. Pibat. Padatu. Nrityati. Sixth conjugation. Nrityat. Chalayati. Chaldatoho nijantarupam. Chalayat. Ramayati. Ramayati which conjugation? Ramdatoho nijantarupam. Ram is Ramate, Ramayate, Ramanti, Atmane Paridhatu. Now Ramayati is there. It is causative form of Ramdhatu.
10th.
You can loosely say 10th. It is not 10th. Nijanta causative Rupa. Bhajati, Bhajat. Darshayati, causative form of
Drishta.
Drish to see. Pashyati, Darshayati, cause to see, means show. So Darshayati, Darshayanti, Darshayati. Harati, first conjugation. Right? Okay. I think you'll stop here. This one we'll do in the next class. For example.
What number, Guruji? Page number?
27 in this document. You can note. After that, I got some exercise in my notes. After that, we will do Shanaj. Shanaj is very simple. Okay, we have to do some exercise. Yeah. After that, if you have this, please try this translation. If you have time, please do it. Try the translations.
Excuse me, Guruji, did we get this document? The one that you
I sent you many times. Which one? This is what we are seeing now? Yes.
What is it called?
Shatra Shanach Doc.
Okay. All right.
You please see here after Napumsakalinga, some sentences are there. Please try the translation.
Yeah.
If leave that Shanach, some Shanach also is there. It's leave that. You can do only Shatranta. Shanach means a Dhatu. Find out the Dhatu. If it is Atmanepadi Dhatu, then don't do it. Or you find out equivalent Parasmapadi Dhatu. Do the Shatranta Rupam of that. Like Ravana took away the weeping Sita. What is the word for weeping? You can take Rududhatu or Krandati. Krand. You can take simple. Krand is much simple. So how do you say translate this? First you take the Kriya Padam. What is the main Kriya in the sentence? Start always with the Kriya Padam first. We know.
Ravana harati.
Harati is the main Kriya.
Aharat.
Yeah, took away. Very good. Aharat. Right? Aharat. Kaha Ravanaha Karta. Whom did he take? Who is the karma?
Sitam.
Sita. And Kidrishi Sita.
Krandati Sita.
Therefore, Pratipadikam is Srilinga. Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha Nadim. Krandatim. Krandantim. Num will come because first conjugation. Right? Gachanti, Gachantyo, Gachantyaha, Gachantim. Therefore, Krandantim, Sitam, Aharat. Not Krandati, Krandantim. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because Srilinga, if you see, Gachanti, Gachantyo, Gachantyaha, Gachantim. Gachanti is a Pratipadikam. Similarly, Krandanti is a Pratipadikam. So, Num is a must in the Pratipadikam itself. Krandanti. So, this is a good exercise. You can practice this. Translation, please do it. Only few sentences are that. Right. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad
Guruji.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
Thank you, Rajaji. Because of you, so many items
It's
got
good you're
really
working on that.
today.
It's good, happy that you're doing some
I'm really happy, Guruji.
exercises.
Because yesterday,
you,
when not yesterday, a couple of days back, when I was doing last class, writing down of the notes, I myself got confused about so many things. I was not reading Napunsakalinga Shatranta. I was reading it as if it is general Napunsakalinga. And it was not making sense to me. Now it is very clear that I have to qualify it is for Napumsakalinga Shatranta, this rule applies. And like for some of them, not all of them, but some of them. Thank you, Guruji.
And
Thank you, Guruji.
if you have a chance to, all of you have got enough, have learned enough to teach others. Yet more things have to be learned. A lot of things we have not yet done. We will do it slowly. It's a lifelong process. But you have got enough to teach others. If you have got a chance to teach, please start class and teach.
Okay.
You have to transfer the knowledge to whomever as okay, or you find out and do it. Please translate. Transfer. Come on.
I feel the kind of foundation that you are giving, I'm very, very pleased with that kind of knowledge, Guruji. Because I've seen
transfer.
other people's.
You announce some social network or something, find out some students, you please start teaching them. By teaching, you will get more. And if you have students like, asking questions like this, then you will learn more.
Not yet, Guruji. I'll take some more time.
You start with the Akshara, A, I, E. That itself, people will ask a lot of questions. You're not going to start with Shatranta, right?
I know.
You're going to start with Aksharam. And slowly the Shabdas, etc. You also will, along with them, you also will learn also. The best way to learn is to teach.
Yeah, at least to teach them, we brush up our own knowledge.
Please, you will get students. You have to find, and you have to find time to teach.
Yeah,
that you must do. You must transfer.
First, I want to spend for my own self. I'm running out of time for my own studies.
Yes, others can do. Please
I
do.
mean, whenever you ask a question, if I'm unable to answer, I feel so guilty that what am I doing? I don't even know this little basics. That kind of a guilt comes in.
It's okay. At least when I say you understand, right? That much is good. But this it's fine.
Thank you,
Rajaji,
Guruji.
please start class.
Okay, Guruji. Guruji,
No,
we know only little, Guruji.
no, the little.
No, a lot of abhyasa is required, Guruji. I mean, but I agree with you that when
You are
you
not going to
start
teach a difficult topic. You are going to start from Akshara. Okay. I
yeah,
have done
I'm
so
all,
many times Akshara. I don't want to do it again. I will not. One more class which I recently started, that alone. After that, I am not going to do.
yeah.
It's
No, as it is, I'm taking 4 hours of class every day. So that's for other subjects. So yeah, I will find time for this. Once I get more proficiency.
yeah, Kausalya ji also. And Jyoti ji, I don't know, she's not there again. Please transfer this knowledge to the next generation. Whomever else you can teach.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. Dhanyawada.
Thank you,
Dhanyawada,
Guruji.
Guruji.
Dhanyawad.